simple pattern that I made. All you need is a piece of paper that is 16.5 inches high by 14 inches wide. So what you're going to do is measure down from the top 4 inches and draw an horizontal line. From that line you will draw a second line 1/2 inches below, and from that 1/2 inch line you will draw a line that is 6 inches. Then these two areas will be the same. So this is the back, front of the clutch. They'll both be 6 inches, 4 inches for the flap, 1/2 inch crease just below the flap. So you'll take an awl or something to perforate or score so that you can fold. So this is what your clutch will look like. You have this little top here for room. We also measure down 1 inch, and that's where you will place your magnetic snap, or if you're using a twist lock. From the bottom I measured up 2 3/4 inches, and I will place the bottom. You can just fold over and see where it lands and mark where you will put the bottom of your closure. To shape the top, if you want, you can make this square, but you will need 2 closures to keep the sides from flaring up. So if you curve the side, then you only need 1 closure. So in order to curve the top here, what I did, I measured up from this line, this first line here, the 4 inch line, I measured up 1 inch and I put a mark. From the center, I measured out 3.5 inches and I placed a mark here. Then I took a curved ruler, if you have a French curve, or if you have a plate or something round, and you use that to connect the 2 points, and then you will cut away the excess. So it's a simple pattern. If you don't get it, you can let me know if you want me to show you how I did it, and I'll try to put a tutorial together. So this is what we'll be making.